If you comment more than once, those will not count towards a second entry. Just one comment per entry. So 3 things you need to do to enter this giveaway. Subscribe to Phoenix King Gaming. Your channel subscriptions must be public so we can see that you are subscribed to us. Second thing, like this video. Third thing, comment why you want it. What are you going to do with this that this could change your life? So 3 things. Subscribe, make sure subscriptions are public, like this video, and comment how this is going to change your life. In our previous giveaway, we learned several things. That was our first giveaway that we did. But in this giveaway, we're actually going to read through all the comments. And just because last time when I was going through and picking the winner, it's instead of doing a random generator, just have something random pick it. We're going to go through comments. We're going to pick the ones that we like and that are really heartfelt, and we're going to put those in a pool and go from there. This giveaway is going to go on for 2 weeks. So we're going to end this giveaway on Sunday, the 17th of November at 12:01 a.m. So when it hits midnight at 12:01 on Sunday, we're going to pick a winner, and that's Pacific Standard Time. So again, I appreciate everything you guys have done. We're almost at 3K subscribers, but like I said, felt like it wouldn't be for you guys that we would have achieved this so far. So we are doing another giveaway for you, and we have more.